Bonjour! Come join us. Can't wait to take you along. It's gonna be amazing.
I mean, come on. Just look at this all. It's absolutely beautiful and we're so excited to be exploring.
Look at the views. They're so good.
So we are in San Gimignano and we just explored the streets, got some panoramic views of this view, and it is absolutely beautiful. What? Oh my gosh. We're on the top of the Montserrat Mountain, ready for this view. It's absolutely amazing. Watching the sunset over the Duomo, and it's beautiful.
It's so good to be traveling again. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful here.